My Cricut won't connect to my laptop. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure that your wireless router is turned on. Step 2. Ensure that your device is connected to the wireless network. Step 3. Make sure that you have a stable network connection. Update firmware. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on the 3 lines next to Home. Step 2. Scroll down and select Update Firmware. Step 3. If there's an update available, it'll appear on the screen. Click Update. Step 4. It'll start updating. Step 5. Once the machine has been updated successfully, click Continue. Ensure that Windows Firewall isn't blocking the machine. Step 1. Click on the Windows search bar and type in Windows Firewall. Step 2. Click Allow an app through Windows Firewall from the result. Step 3. Click Change Settings on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll through the list and tick the box for Cricut, then make sure to check both the private and public boxes. Step 5. Once done, click OK. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.